Hey there, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Rochford on Demand. My name is Danielle Rochford, and I am an online grade 7 and 8 teacher in Edmonton, Alberta. I get to teach all of the core subjects for those grade levels, as well as high school photography. The types of videos that you will see posted here on my channel are topics like technology tips for both teachers as well as students, various tutorials on the different core subject areas, and something new that I'm starting this year, we'll see how it goes, a little bit about teacher life. So I'm going to try and do a little bit of teacher vlogging and see how that goes. If you're interested in joining me on this journey, click subscribe and hit that bell notification. I'm looking forward to learning and growing together.